In this video, I'll show you how to lower the rear seat of your Nissan Altima. So you may notice if you want to do this, most cars have a small thing, a small latch over here. This one does not have this. So we need to pop the trunk. You absolutely need to pop the trunk to have access to the latch that will help you lower the backrest. So let's go there. This is the trunk, and again, most cars will have latches, very easy to have access, but this Altima has these straps. Pull on the strap, okay, pull even multiple times, it does not matter. Do this on this other one. And this will unlock this latch, okay, that goes right here, and you'll be able to lower both seats. Now when time comes to put them back, you just have to make sure that they latch in place, okay, because you don't want them to fall down in case of an accident. All right, so yeah, this is about it. I hope this was useful. It's a bit unusual. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.